Hello everyone. I'm going to show you what you need to know to get your assignments done for this week and to navigate the Blackboard website for these weeks while we're on this special schedule due to the COVID virus. So I'm sitting here looking at my Blackboard right now. I'm in the student view, which is the way you should see this. The first part is the announcements section. It's this top menu item. It's what you should see when you log in. Pay attention to the announcements sections because I'll tell you all the latest information about what's going on with the class. Also, there are optional lectures if you want to see the lecture so you don't have to do as much reading, or I'll help you find stuff for your lab sheets, what you got to do. It'll be a big help. So I will put in the announcements section the times and dates for lectures, or also if you want to meet me online for the office hours. I can answer any questions online. I can show you things on the computer screen. So let's navigate Blackboard to see what your assignments are. If we go over to the left, there's down at the bottom course content. So you're going to click on course content on the left menu. That will bring up this, and you can see for AMT135 800 we had a Friday assignment for 3/12/20. Go down to where you see the folder says COVID Week 1 assignments. We're going to click on that. It's 3/16/20. So if this folder, if you do everything that's in this folder, you will have the assignments done for the week. So it starts out with watching a video. So this is a short video. It's only 2 minutes long. It's really good on wheel alignment for aircraft. And you can click on this and it will take you out to YouTube and you can watch this video. After you do that, the reading is on the FAA H80 83. And if you click on this title, it will open up a document. I think it's 6 pages long or something like that, or maybe it's not even that long. I'm not sure. But it's the reading assignment for here. Here it is, and it talks about landing gear alignment. So if we go all the way through it, what is it? It is, I don't know, maybe about 6 pages. All right, so that's the reading. So each one of these sections constitutes one class, and one class is basically 4 hours, right? Okay, so I'm going to hit my back button. It's going to take me back to the COVID Week 1 screen. Okay, then there's PowerPoints. So if I open the PowerPoint, now what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to review the PowerPoint slides. If you tune in for the lecture, I talk about this during the lecture. The lecture is optional, but if you do the online streaming lecture, we'll do the PowerPoint slides together and we'll talk about them. And if you have any questions, you can ask questions because I'm sitting there live. The lectures will also be recorded, so if you miss it. Okay, I'm going to hit the back button. So as you can see, there's a reading assignment, there's a PowerPoint assignment, and then the second part of the week is on retractable landing gear for small aircraft. There's a video there to watch. You can watch that video. Here's your reading assignment. You'll open that up and read it, PowerPoint. And then there's 2 labs, 29N1 Cessna 150 gear alignment, and then the Cessna 320. You can do these labs from home. A lot of it's research. A lot of it's you're going to tell us what you learned here this week in there. I think there's some questions on there about part numbers for shims. If you can find those part numbers, fine. If you can't, you can just put down that I looked and I couldn't find it. I'm going to try to put some maintenance manuals and parts catalogs on Blackboard. If you go to course content aircraft manuals, you should be able to do that. And that's basically it. Keep checking announcements, check your email. Do this for all your classes so you can stay up to date. Because what's going to happen is there's going to be people, I know who they are, I was one of them when I was in school, who are going to put this off. And don't do that because we're giving you, it's not undoable workload, but you need to get this stuff done because you're not going to be able to do it all at once. So stay tuned to that. And if you've got any questions, comments, my email. I'm still checking it every day, several times a day, Timothy Morris at cincinnati-state.edu, or you can call my cell phone number. I'll put it there. Send me a text, whatever you want to do. If we need to get together, we can do that. If we need to get together online, we can do that. So hang in there. We're going to keep doing this. I'm expecting that we're going to be able to get together for labs starting on the 30th. That's what our thinking is right now. So thanks a lot. Hang in there. Get your coursework done, and we'll be in touch.